Have you ever seen someone cut a PVC pipe in half and use it as a gutter? Then heavy rain hits. Water spills over the edge, exterior walls get soaked, mold starts forming. After 1 or 2 rainy seasons, the gutter begins to sag. Cracks from sun exposure and leaves clog it instantly. The problem isn't bad workmanship. The problem is the wrong material and the wrong water calculations. Why PVC pipe fails as a gutter? PVC pipe is designed to carry water inside a closed systems and handle internal pressures, while a gutter is a wide open channel. So when you cut a PVC pipe in half, it loses structural strength. It warps under heat, it has no reinforcement ribs, and was never sized for roof surface runoff. Metal roofs can reach 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the direct sun. PVC expands significantly in that heat. So after a few seasons, it sags, joints separate, and water flows backward. The right way. Choosing the proper gutter. Recommended materials. Reinforced UPVC gutter systems. Powder-coated aluminum gutters. Galvanized steel gutters. And stainless steel for heavy rain areas. The key difference is these are designed to collect wide surface runoff, not to carry water inside a sealed pipe like PVC. The gutter must match the roof area. Here's a simple rule. The bigger the roof, the more water hits at the same time. The narrower the gutter, the faster it overflows, even when it's not clogged. Slope alone is not enough. Standard residential gutter sizings. For typical homes, under 500 square feet roof sections to a 4-inch gutter, 500 to 1,000 square feet equal to a 5-inch gutter, 1,000 to 1,500 square feet equal to a 6-inch gutter, and above 1,500 square feet equal to a 7 to 8-inch systems. A half-cut PVC pipe, usually only 2 to 3 inches wide in usable spaces. That's dramatically undersized. Why narrow gutters overflow, even when clean? During heavy rain, water hits the roof instantly. The gutter fills within seconds. Flow backs up. It spills over the front edge before it even reaches the downspout. Then that's why homeowner says it's not clogged, but it still overflows. Quick rule of thumb. If you don't want to run calculations, a 5-inch gutter can typically handle about 100 to 120 square feet of roof per linear foot in heavy rain conditions. If your roof is 1,200 square feet on one side, you need proper width and multiple downspouts. The real calculations. Rainfall flow rate. Engineers use this formula. Q equal A times I times C, where Q is the runoff flow rate, A is the roof area, I is the rainfall intensities, and C is the runoff coefficients, about 0.8 to 0.95 for metal roofs. For example, a 1,000 square foot roof, 4 inches of rain per hour, converted to flow, that can produce over 15 gallons per minute. If your gutter can't handle that volume, it will overflow every time. Proper slope. Standard residential slope. About 1/8 to 1/4 inch per 10 feet. Too little slope? Standing water. Too much slope? Water overshoots the outlet. Balance matters. Long roof? Split the load. If the roof edge is longer than 40 feet, don't drain everything to one side. Either slope to both ends or install a center outlet and split the slope. One downspout should not serve more than about 600 to 800 square feet in heavy rain regions. Preventing leaf clogs. 3 common solutions. Stainless steel micromesh, most durable. UV resistance plastic screens, budget options. And surface tensions gutter guards, premium systems. If you live near trees, stainless steel mesh is the safest long-term choices. What most people don't realize. Gutters aren't just cosmetic. They protect your foundations, exterior walls, siding and paint, basement waterproofing, and it can save a few $100s by using PVC pipe. It can also cost thousands in water damage repairs. Closing. Rainwater problems aren't bad luck. They're math problems done wrong. Use the right material, use the right width, calculate the flow, set the proper slope, split the load correctly. Do it right once and your system lasts for decades.